Can you believe it's been 35 years since 1990s? But here's the real kicker. A bunch of the stuff we wore back then, we're still rocking it today. So in honor of the 90s turning 35, I'm breaking down 10 fashion trends from 1990 that had a major comeback. And some of y'all don't even realize you're wearing them again. But guess what? Stick around because number 9 is going to spark some controversy. And number 10, oh, it's a full circle moment. You just don't want to miss that, all right? Now, before we get started, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and let's take it back to the era of beepers, Blockbuster, magazine posters on your wall, and Word Up magazine. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Starting off with number 1, this is no secret, baggy jeans, okay? So in 1990, baggy jeans were the blueprint. Hello, crisscross. Hello, TLC. Hello, salt and pepper. And every teenager trying to sag without getting yelled at. Y'all remember your teachers yelling at y'all. Don't play like y'all don't know. But fast forward now, Gen Z said skinny jeans are canceled, and boom, baggy jeans are the hottest thing since sliced bread, but in a fashion game again, okay? Let's talk cargo styles, puddle pants, slim fit. They're all creeping back, by the way. I mean, did we really leave them behind in the 90s? Y'all let me know. All right, let's get to number 2. Number 2 is crop top. This is no secret at all. So Salt and Pepper to Janet Jackson, crop tops were everywhere in the 90s. And now, whether it's a gym fit or a brunch fit, crop tops are back in everyone's closet. Except now, let's just say, it's less belly button rings and more athleisure check. But don't get it twisted, by the way. It's the same vibes. Just know that it's just more SPF or sunscreen. All right. Next up, denim jackets. All right. So with this one, you know, a piece is iconic when not even time can kill it. Okay. So I own lots of denim jackets. I actually own 3 that's in my head, and I've been having these for a long time. I want to say yeah, we ain't gonna get into the time, but it was early 2000s. By the way, the oversized denim or light wash, I should say, punk patch denim jacket. Now, that baby survived Y2K or the 2000s. It was the rise of the fast fashion at this time. And guess what? It still hits in 2025. That's 35 years later, okay? So if yours has pins on it, or vintage patches, guess what? I'm gonna give y'all bonus points for that. Because the 90s called, and guess what? They're proud of you. They're proud of you for keeping those around. Next up, number 4, combat boots. Now, this is something that I wore for 10 years. From 2001 to 2011. But anyway, these combat boots, let's give a shout out to Doc Martens. The original don't mess with me shoe. You see somebody step up in some combat boots, some Timbs, or some Doc Martens, you already know what it is. It's squabble up, squabble up. Okay, but anyway, not talking about Kendrick Lamar right now, but in the 90s, grunge made combat boots iconic. So in 2025, it's basically the same shoe, new edge, paired with a dress, or you could make it with some wide leg pants. You could wear them with wide leg pants. You can even wear it with floral wear. It's the multiverse of fashion madness. Let's just say that, all right? Which brings me to number 5. And this is no secret. Y'all know I'm a girl who loves matching sets. So velour sets, windbreaker sets, matching tops and bottoms. We were all coordinated in the 90s, wouldn't you say? And today, now y'all know we get knitwear, monochromatic, lounge look. We're basically just remixing the same fit with a modern filter. That's basically what it is. Let's just give it up for lazy girls everywhere. Y'all stand up and rejoice. All right, number 6. Let's talk about flannel shirts. Flannel shirts. All right. So with flannel shirts will never die, in my opinion. Yep, it's my opinion. So in 1990s, we had Pearl Jam. And a million teenagers reveled in oversized plaid shirts, right? But now in 2025, y'all give us hot girl fall. and basically lumberjack check. Same shirt, just a different playlist, basically. All right. Number 7, no secret, it's slip dresses. Yes. So the 90s made underwear as outerwear a thing. And slip dresses were the moment. And if y'all didn't get that reference when I said underwear as outerwear, now in the 90s, the slip dresses we would use as what we call like nightgowns, undergarments, whatever, but now it's a thing. Like, we went from the bedroom to outside. Okay. We wore them to prom, to clubs, to literally everywhere. Now we're layering them over t-shirts, under leather jackets, or straight up wearing them to weddings again. Okay. So let's just give it up for the power of spaghetti strap, because y'all know spaghetti strap is undefeated. All right. Number 8, this is an item, but listen, we make these now. We used to buy them by the pack, not barats, but scrunchies. And let's just say, listen, we all thought scrunchies died somewhere between TRL and the intervention of a flat iron and a blow dryer. So we thought, but now they made a comeback. And now let's just say we used to buy them in like satin, velvet, and now you get them oversized because everybody and their mama is making them and selling. You could go to Amazon, eBay, Etsy, you can find scrunchies made everywhere. And you know what that means, right? 90 girls never lost. Guess what we did? We just took a nap. We just took a nap in those scrunchies, okay? Next up, and this is the controversial one that I talked about earlier, it is overalls. Let's talk overalls. So in the 90s, they were the ultimate like cool girl staple, right? Especially if you rocked them one strap down, like your crisscross, your TLCs, your there's so many people that actually did one strap down. Even Boys to Men. I mean, BBD, they all wore the one strap down. That was the thing in the 90s. But today, they're more like a love it or hate it situation. Some say that, rocking some overalls is childish. Others says it's vintage chic. But here's the truth, in my opinion. If you can style it right, you're basically a 90s style ninja. All right. Now, drop a comment and let me know in the description box below, or the comment section below, I should say. Are overalls a slay? Or hell no, girl, no way. All right, and let's get to the last item, and it's number 10, and it's white sneakers. All right, so with white sneakers, if you didn't own a pair of white K-Swiss, or some Fila's, or some Reeboks, or some British Nikes, yes, I said British Nikes, y'all. You're not old enough if you don't know what British Nikes is. Those all were 90s shoes. Were you even there if you don't know about British Nikes and K-Swiss, Fila's, Reeboks? All right, but anyway, clean white Nikes were a staple symbol. And now they're still the go-to shoe for nearly every outfit. The only difference is they decided to turn in the K-Swiss, the Fila's, the Reeboks, and the British Nikes. They turned it in for Huaraches, Bronze, LeBrons, and Kevin Durant's, okay? Maybe some Currys, okay? Like, quartets. I mean, you could get some quartets too. But anyway, white shoes or white sneakers are classic. They're comfortable. They're timeless. They're just like the 90s. Very comfortable and classic, okay? So, there you have it. Those are the 10 fashion trends from 1990 that are still killing it 35 years later. Woo! Now we laugh, we cringe, we question our overalls, but deep down we know one thing. The 90s really never left. We are seeing things pop up 35 years later, and guess what? It's still a vibe. All right? Now, drop a comment with your favorite 90s fashion comeback, or tell me which one needs to stay. Y'all know in the past, that means in the 90s, okay? Don't bring it back. Don't bring it back, okay? Like one hit wonders. Don't bring them back, all right? Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already, because it's free. Comment in the comment section below and let me know, are overalls a slay or a hell no, girl? Hell no, girl, no way. All right. And do what I'm going to tell you to do. Share this video with your sewing bestie who's still rocking Walkman, skates, and, of course, watch TV or movies with the VHS and still rock CDs. Until next time, stay retro, stay fabulous, and happy 35th to the 90s. Peace.
I've been calling out for help, still don't see nobody near me. I'm down and almost underground and so deep in the valley I can't even tell you which way is the mountain. God, the only word I got